Hello students. In this chapter we studies about the Indian economy and its sector. On first topic in sectors of economic activities, you can see there are so many people who engaged in different work. Postman delivers letters, a farmer collects cotton crop from the field, and she is selling clothes, they are making bricks, and these all activities and services are divided into three sectors, which are primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. In this sector, primary sector, in this sector we use mainly natural resources, natural products like agricultural products, mining, dairy, fishing. Okay, cultivation of cotton depend upon the nature. It does not completely depend upon the nature. We can use irrigation facilitated instead of the rain. But in this sector, we use only natural resources. That is why it called the primary sector. And in this sector, farmers, dairy producer works. In the secondary activities, process of primary products takes place by processing. For example, biscuit from wheat flour processed in factory and made biscuits from them. In this sector, primary products processed through industries. For example, cotton, thread makes by it in the industries, and then cloth make it, and now the ready-made garments made from the cloth. And in the tertiary sector, we don't produce any product in this sector. This sector helps only the activities of primary and secondary sectors. For example, आपका teaching, canteen, restaurants, government works, banks, transportation, communication, and all this gives services. That why it is called services sector. Some essential services that may not be directly help in the production of goods. For example, teachers, doctors, washermen, barbers, cobbler, lawyer, people, administrative, accounting works, they are not served directly to the primary and secondary sectors. For example, transportation, trade, that gives direct services to the primary and the tertiary sector. And all these three sectors highly interdependent on each other. Now we comparing the three sectors. There are so many people work in these sector. For comparing in three sectors, we see how much goods and services produced in how many people works in the one and more sectors, and which are the dominant sector in terms of the total production. कौन सा सेक्टर जो है वो ज़्यादा अहम रोल प्ले करता है, डोमिनेंट रोल प्ले करता है इन द GDP. हाउ डू वी काउंट द वेरियस गुड्स? मिलियंस ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस्ड, and it is impossible and lengthy task to calculation of goods and services. It is so lengthy. That's why to solve this problem of quantity of goods are measured, and it is not possible of measurement of the value of goods. That's why value of goods calculate. For example, 10,000 kg of wheat production is not calculate, but value of wheat will be calculate. Okay, means value of final goods and services calculate. Okay, what is the final goods and services, meaning of final good and services? For example, when we talk about cotton thread, cotton, then the thread made, the clothes and ready-made garments. And when you pay for the clothes, it include cost of cotton and thread must be included in the cost of the cloth. And the one another example, farmer produce wheat and then a flour processed in industries, then making biscuits from the some other industries. And product then when you purchase biscuits, the value of wheat, flour and labor, everything is included in the value of biscuits. That's why